Drive chain lubrication.
Hello, rider. Maintaining your motorcycle's drive chain is crucial for a smooth ride and long-lasting performance. While your chain is cleaned, lubricated, and adjusted during regular service visits, it's highly recommended that you also do it yourself, especially every 500 kilometers.
Park the vehicle on the paddock stand. Spray the cleaner on the front and side surfaces of the chain, while slowly rotating the rear wheel by hand so that the chain and sprockets move freely. Then, use a cleaning brush to scrub off dirt and grime while rotating. Allow the chain to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes before applying lubricant. Once the chain is dry, rotate the rear wheel in the forward direction and start applying TVS True4 chain lubricant evenly along the length of the chain. And that's it. With just a little effort and the right tools, your drive chain will stay clean, well lubricated, and ready to handle every ride like a pro.